Hello there and welcome back to Bullets for Bucks. My name's Stephen Bresnaugh and today we are reviewing the Caldwell Ballistic Precision Chronograph. Now this chronograph I've had for many years and it's been banged around and mistreated and it still works perfect. I haven't had any issues with it. It takes a 9-volt battery to run on. It has a plastic or polymer body. Of course these metal stays here and it measures in MPS or FPS. Now it can be attached to a mobile device, to a ballistics app or other devices via a audio jack hub so you can record the ballistic data onto another device that's separate from this one. It also is threaded so it can accept a accessory plate or a mounting plate for most tripods or camera heads. Anyways, I have it here mounted on a Bog Adrenaline tripod, which works great by the way, and I do have videos on that as well if you want to check those out. Anyways, you just turn this little switch here on the left side of the chronograph and it's going to give you an FPS and then a countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then it's going to show you that it's ready by signifying this little like square shape here on the screen display. It can range objects, or excuse me, it can measure speed of objects all the way from 5 FPS up to 9,999 FPS. So you can use this with archery equipment, a recurve bow, all the way up to the fastest rifle out there. And it does a great job. I don't really have a whole lot more to say about it. It's simple and it does its job. So I encourage you to check out these Caldwell Ballistic Precision Chronographs at your earliest convenience if you're getting into reloading or precision shooting.